difficult even.
Kain na po.
Bebe,
Oh, ayun oh. Oh. Ay,
Just the
apoy.
stunning and sweeping views
Kaya
of
kabot mo ka
Taipei
na.
101. We finally got great weather. It's been raining
Ito na,
here.
baby.
There's been multiple earthquakes.
Fish,
all
fish
week
yan.
long. We had to delay by a day, but
This one,
Alex
this
is so close to doing something that he's been dreaming of since he was a child. Emily, he talked to you about Taipei 101 when. When did it sort of first come into your purview that he wanted to do this? I heard about it maybe 12 years ago that he wanted to climb this building and that he's always wanted to climb a
Ano
skyscraper.
ba yung
So
fish?
I'm feeling pretty lucky to be witnessing it
Oh,
right
fish.
now.
Fish tayo. Ayaw fish.
Its history is he goes up the side of this
Ayaw mo fish?
Ay, ayan pala, oh.
postcard. It looks like
Ay, try magkano
this
mo.
is unreal. This is so beautiful. We're witnessing history. So
Ay, hinit lang, hinit. Hinit
People
pala
asking
yan.
Alex's motivation for wanting to climb a skyscraper without Rose live on television. He said, if you're given permission to climb a building, then you do it. He said as a child, he used to climb buildings, but then he became an adult and, well, it's illegal, and he didn't want to break the law.
Yeah.
So given the opportunity to do this,
Ayaw mo yung fish? Ayaw fish? Fish. Oh, wait.
Tayo ko. Matas-atas siya papalayan eh. Diya, wo. Agit siya, wo. Taas, no? Wala ko mning nakakain na.
Ito niya ang response kapit na ata.
Noon niya kanya ko. Nangip kaya tayo na kayo. Tadi niyang bakal-bakal.
Hindi,
this
kaya
journey's
yan.
not done. This is the
Abe
most
na pa yung
difficult part.
yun eh, masyado
Just
masaya
what Emily
kanya,
said.
kaya na yun.
It's a janky ladder at this.
Ay,
He
ako,
is
vitamin
so
muna ang
tired.
kinain,
He told
kaya
us
talaga.
20 floors ago that he's pumped and that he's exhausted. If he
Ganda ka na
wanted to,
epital na
he would
anak yan,
still
eh.
have an opportunity to tap out right now should he not want to continue this climb.
Kasi dito na pa. Kaya kaya na eh, balayaran na mo kayo. Ano yung
Malatiya.
ano yung malatiya mo? Ay! Ay, ano? Ay! Oh, ang tao. Oh, taas. Oh.
Ay, meron yan eh.
Oh. Ay, building yun. Salamin. Oh. Oh. Tingnan mo, oh. Makyat siya, oh. Taas. No! Hindi. Bah.
Yes, okay.
Hindi naman.
Yes, okay.
Kung na ano.
Eh, bisa naman.
Ba, sinawa mga ay, bis. Ayan na yung pagkain mo. Ayan na. Iniinit ni daddy. Ayan na.
Ala, yung chinela sa akin.
Ano, yun.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Ayan na. Ayan na yung pagkain mo. Iniinit na. Ayan na. Ayan na mo. Ayan, daddy. Ay, aro. Ayun, tignan mo yung tao. Oh. Ayan, oh. Magkat, oh. Ayun, taas. Oh. Ayan na yung pagkain mo. Ayan, oh. Wow. KFC.
Ito yung duyo.
Oh. Lola. Ro.
Ay, kami na, no?
Malapit na eh.
Bigaw.
Ay.
Okay.
Walit ka na na mo.
Yan, okay. Siya ito. Uy, taas, no?
At na ka.
Hmm?
Ay, oh. Yes na eh.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Ayun, oh.
Ay, taas.
Wala na, oh.
Nice, oh. Jiwa.
Ito kasi na natin dito.
At yan dito. Ha? Dala. Ay, kaya.
Ito kung pera ka batas. Mukha talaga dyan pa mo.
Ilan yung oras sa ito,
Lewis
ano?
Arnold has made
Ito
history
kung kapit
again.
na. At pa yan.
Nakakain na yung ano tayo.
Subuan na lang kita.
Wala mo. Wala po.
Kulda siya pa niyan.
Hindi na ako, kung nandun na.
Kapag elevator na rin siguro kami.
Mag-elevator na yan.
Hmm.
My earpiece is disconnected, so I can't hear anybody. But
Masaya rin pa.
I
Baba
can still
naman
see your
ba?
table, so Alan, Emily, and Seth, you guys can hear me. I can still see you, and I'm so psyched.
Drone.
It's
Oh my
very
gosh.
windy up here.
It seems very windy, Alex.
so
You
cool.
have done it. You've done it. You've made history. This is something you've imagined your entire life, and now you're standing in it. What feelings are coming up, Alex?
Huh.
He's taking a selfie.
Let's see.
Because 2026.
2026 siya? Tatas?
Wow.
Ha?
This year?
Ay,
Oh, I can hear you guys.
yung selfie ako.
Hold on, I'm in the city. So this is the city.
Selfish yan, oh. Ayun, oh. Taas, oh.
This is so cool.
Ang asawa na yan.
Okay, I'll put it away my. Hi, Alan. Company, I can't hear you guys, but if you can hear me, I'm so psyched. And you know what? Pretty tired, actually. The whole top of the building is pretty physical, and I was like, oh, my arms are starting to get tired. That's so amazing.
Alex, we can't
Kaya
hear you. Can
nagtatanong
you hear
bundok
us?
kaya rin. Bato-bato na kaya.
Can you hear us, Alex?
Alam mo, kas na kaya.
That's okay. We will be hearing from Alex as he makes his way back down the spire. You just saw a shot there of Sonny. But again, this is a lifelong dream that is realized. Alex Honnold is quite literally standing on top of the world.
Well, I got emotional watching that final climb. I mean, I almost had tears in my eyes. There's something so inspiring about this. Everybody's going to remember where we were at the day Alex Honnold summited Taipei 101. It's really incredible.
How are you feeling? I'm seeing some emotion on your
fish.
face right now.
Yes.
Emily.
Ayaw mo,
I've
fish.
got some tears. I do have
Ayaw
tears.
mo, fish.
I didn't quite know
Never
him,
had
but
an important experience.
here we are.
Ah.
Yeah, I'm pretty proud.
Amazing.
Proud to know him.
What emotions are coming up for you right now? Why the emotions?
Oh, I'm so relieved. I think a lot of us are pretty nervous about this, and yeah, it's really cool. It's been amazing to be a part of it, and I think the sport of climbing is really proud of him, and yeah, I'm proud to know him.
Sometimes you just gotta clear some things out of the way, you know? Again, if you're just joining us, why? You just missed an epic climb. Alex Honnold free soloing Taipei 101, completing the highest ever urban free solo, the culmination of a life's dream. It's so hard too when you think about the arc of Alex, right? He's doing this as a father now. He's 40. A different life and a different era in his life since he did free solo. And most importantly, when he did free solo, he didn't have Sonny standing there waiting for him to come down. He does today. Mark Rover is with her as she waits for her husband. Mark?
Yeah, I'm out of goosebumps. I
Eh, pati
I
rin
was
pa.
emotional as well, seeing that
Si Pababo.
just one of our
Pero
fellow
pati pa.
species just accomplished
Ba dinala
something.
niya mo ata?
That's
Gigilig
just
mo
so
rin.
incredible, right?
Kasi
That is
babaya
like
ka niyang get
once in a
Agad na tayo.
generational
Bandang
talent
baba.
that we got to witness here today.
Agad natin
This is
malapad
really,
na
really
eh.
special. So cool.
It really is. Mark, thank you so much for bringing the science into all of this. All of the different obstacles and challenges, not only from the building, but from the weather. We didn't get an earthquake, which was great. We were able to hold off with the precipitation. And now Alex,
Bati na yata tayo.
they're laughing.
Na,
Wala. Mag-harness na yata.
awati na nga.
Magarnet na.
Ayun yung pababa.
I think this man has
Isa yung
earned a
pababa
harness
kasi.
and maybe a little bit of a boost down, right? Like, someone asked me, they're like, well,
Ako
how's he going to get off the
magkanya-kanya
building?
na.
I'm like, we're going to
Magkanya-kanya
make
na yung mukha niya.
descend it to. We're not. He is going to take
Yan
an
ba yung
elevator
kasi pababa?
and work his way down. Well, he'll be greeted there by Sonny. But again, just an absolutely
Siyempre,
incredible
matagal na yan.
and epic climb
I
there
still
from
don't have
Alex
competition,
Honnold.
so if there's any reason I shouldn't start rappelling, somebody tell me right now.
Ayun tayo.
There you go.
Yeah, Emily, how do you feel now that he's got a rope in his hand?
Oh, I'm so stoked right now. It all just went so perfectly.
You're
And
tired?
I'm so happy. I'm so happy for him.
Oh,
Are you
I'm
tired?
so happy for everyone.
sleep ka ba ba? Inaano yan?
Are you tired? Are you tired? You want to sleep?
You're watching Alex do another
Want to sleep?
incredible feat. How would this compare to some of the greatest moments that you've had in your career?
Yeah, I mean, I've been so fortunate to be able to experience so many things in my profession, travel the world, wrestle in front of incredible
Loud?
crowds, see amazing athletes and
Is it
athletic
loud?
feats and people accomplish
Ayan
incredible
o,
things.
mahanes na yun.
This is
Ayun o,
one.
ayun. Tingnan mo yung tao.
There's nothing like it.
Tingnan mo yun,
It may not ever be
No, wala mga
replicated.
taling harness na.
And certainly, you know, it's the first time it's ever
Sinali na
happened.
yan.
So to be able to be here on the edge of history, to watch Alex make history as he comes down the side of this thing, it's really something special. Like I said,
Thing trying to resolve this in a dignified manner.
there's an emotional attribute. There's something
Ayan na, oh, bye-bye na. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Si bye-bye muna. Bye-bye na, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye na. So, bye. Bye. Bye.